you want to know how I make this pepper soup, so yummy, sweet and delicious. If you want to know, continue watching.
Hello beautiful ones, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you another beautiful recipe of how to make your Nigerian pepper soup otiam. For those of you that are new to my channel, I welcome you. This is your girl Mama What's Up. I'm a married woman living in Germany with 3 kids. And to my returning subscribers, I thank you so much for always supporting me. I pray that the God Almighty bless you all. So let's go straight to the business. In this recipe, I'm going to be using onions, pepper, ginger, garlic, and this is a nut. I don't really know what it's called in English language, but it's a pepper soup spice. As you can see, I'm going to peel off the back and blend everything together. So stay tuned, let's get started. So right now guys, I'm going to add everything inside a blender. I will add crayfish. I forgot to have showed my crayfish, so I will show it now. So here are the crayfish I'm going to be using. I will add everything inside the blender, and the tomato, the fresh chopped tomato, I will add it inside the blender and blend everything together. So I'm starting the blending now. So I have finished blending it right now. So guys, here are the fish I'm going to be using. So I have soaked it inside water because I removed it from the freezer. So I'm going to wash and slice it. I'll wash it with warm water. Yeah. So guys, right now I'm going to add the blended tomato sauce, everything in a inside pot, and add some water. Add some water and start boiling it. I will add water according to my taste, how I want it to look like. If I want it watery, I'm going to add water how I want it to be. So guys, I've added water to my taste. Right now I'm going to add pepper soup spice to it. So right now I'm adding the pepper soup spice inside. You add according to your tastes. So then you turn it. I think I will still add small water because I'm going to add yam to this pepper soup. So I will add small water again. So I add water again. Add my curry. I will add curry powder. That is the secret of pepper soup. So nothing more, nothing less. It's optional. You must not put it. You must not add it to your pepper soup. So I'm adding my Maggi seasoning cubes from Cow Brown. So I will add Maggi, and cover everything, stir it and cover it to cook. So guys, you will leave it to boil. After boiling, then we'll come and add the fish. So guys, we are going to be checking our pepper soup. So right now, wow, it's boiling. So Right now we are going to test for the seasoning, if the seasoning is okay or not. So I'm checking for the seasoning now, if it's okay. So right now so guys, I'm going to be adding some amount of salt, as you can see. Then after that, I stir it. After stirring, now I can now add my fish. The fish, I finished washing and slicing it, so everything is very clean now. You just add everything inside. Yeah. So guys, I finished adding the fish. You will leave it to cook. You cover it to cook. After 10 minutes, we'll come and check our fish. So guys, we are going to check the fish now. After 10 minutes, guys, we are going to check the fish. After 10 minutes, it has been boiling, as you can see. So right now, I'm going to add the yam. Yeah, please don't mind my baby noise. My drama queen, she always wants to stay with mama. So now you will add your yam. So guys, after adding the yam, you stir gently so that the fish doesn't scatter inside the pot. Then you cover and leave it to cook. Now, so guys, we are going to check our pepper soup. Another sweet method of making pepper soup. Oh my god, the aroma here is so sweet. The aroma coming out of this our delicious pepper soup. Oh my god. So guys, if you haven't tried this method, please do give it a try and you will not regret knowing Mama What's Up channel. So guys, this is all I have for you in today's video. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that notification bell, subscribe, click that notification bell so that anytime I put up a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have any question in this my delicious pepper soup, you can as well drop your comment at the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. Cheers.